summer, our family moved into a new home. A home that needed some updates, maybe a renovation, but isn't quite in our budget at the moment. So, rather than living with it as is until we do the renovation in a couple years, I decided to take the matter into my own hands and do some minor projects around the house, DIY style, to spruce things up. All with the help of this weekend's new Toulouse 2. So, two of the big things that were driving me crazy were the brick fireplace and the two counters in the upstairs bathrooms. But I used two kits from Giani Granite, which both turned out great, didn't cost a ton, and, well, Luz said it before, gave me the confidence to maybe do more one day. We'll start with the brick. The Giani Brick Transformation's densely pigmented formula is made to easily absorb into the brick, creating a durable and lasting color. Depending on how much coverage you want, you can adjust the paint color with various ratios of water, so it's a runnier, thinner paint where you just basically brush it on and then wipe the excess away. Brush and wipe, brush and wipe. That's what I did. It took maybe a couple hours, and it seriously is just about foolproof. The Giani Brick Transformation Kit goes for $49.95. Moving over to the countertop paint, which is a 3-step DIY application, it'll transform any Formica, laminate, Corian, butcher block, cultured marble, and traditional granite in a single weekend. It's a little more involved, but it was fun to do. The kit contains all the necessary tools to cover 35 square feet of surface, which was more than enough for both of our bathrooms. I went with the white marble kit, followed along the instructional videos they have online for each product. I even did the marble veining myself. That's right, myself. I was nervous I'd mess up, but they show you how to do it. And if you do screw up, it's just paint. Spray a little water, wipe it away, and start fresh. Turned out so good in the end. I was so proud of myself, and it's held up great thus far. The Giani Marble Kit goes for $199.95. You can do it. Just remind yourself, if Lindsay can do it, so can I.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to like and subscribe.